for ekodidi ekodi nkomo ana contacts be no man make it important say aban be throw light on that aban statement about no say omo ye contact tracing but in say bisa bi say nyina no meaning say na woni kodwo opon kromadi nkomo no ma hu anu ye bia yenim. And I think say I was aban my information na ayem shishi aba no ebe boama akoma atodin ama manfo say oh this is the situation be do Ghana ya woda e bi afie da na suspect you omo na ye de ye koye ho text e wo Nuguchi results ne ba e da say na aban be boy amane so far ye hwemu a ha ne ha no makọ enti ye hwese nipa omo ne omo kodi nkita ho no omo so ye be kwa akofa omo ne yakọ quarantine omo bi na se mpo omanya bia entimi ankosane nipa fofora nipa hodo a omo so ne omo kwa kodi nkita ho. All these things are very important, but so far no you need any information on that. Nana de to so biom ne say for me here pa ne say ne ya yare yesi kwan ben ye betinya fa so I'm making sure say entre e wo Ghana na kenyame adom akoye nipa mienu pe na nka obi enye bi. How do we contain the situation and prevent it from spreading? And I say simple spread ya kwan ben ye be fa so I'm making sure say one o mbenya bi no mbenya yarehwe na emfa nsusu so boni bi ema na no kwasem ne se mprepia ye ka say aban o mampenyi ote akonwa so oni ni penyi fo metu anamo ba ko mienu bi o mampenyi ni edi nkita ho oni yakasa wa maye ngudie na aban ye de aban ne ye ni nyina no nana eye but no kwasem ne say enswani there is more room for improvement. Omanpenyi ni mpenyufo betumi ayedan ayebi aka ho even though say omatu anamo and anamo omutu no eye no ye nyina ye hu say ye nyina ye beji atum say sebi ya ho boa ene ya ho keka sinto wo mu a e wo say ye hwe ho asem eka ne ye toto nyeme ye yedi kan metie minister of health okomra she bebiam ko kire de aban eye e de aboaboa oman no making sure say we are ready for this coronavirus then ye mi hu ye ne say public education na enko for me ya teten kran ide media for madaroma why ye advert 1 2 3 bia ma ya TV aminua okọ sebi impreduasa nkrasi ni krum kitten e wo oh my God na mu a bebre covid-19 no kra no menye sure so mate and na menye sure say nana what's any advert material educate wo manfo e wo dagbani kasamu me menti bi wo hausa kasamu so kumase na mate say ye bo advert bisa in the Twi language but e wo be hia say enkyerɛkyerɛ a e wo se ye de ma omanfo na ye nyina ye hu de wo se ye the do's and the don'ts yare ne symptoms ne de kwan be ne ye fa so e bo ho esi ano kwan no the preventive measures no you breaking it down into languages obi abeti ase ye pesika de code radio so ye de code TV me sure kra say because of media for their more friend social responsibility nti mumu bebre munya materials ya go bebo no free buntu sadie no e wo say ye shemu kena we need to ramp up that in the coming days. There also be World Health Organization be catch say oh my God ye here be 35 million Ghana cedis near the aboaboa ye ho for a very long period of time no abayan timi am pesa 35 million as at 2 weeks ago na 2.5 million per and abayanya last week baby Minister of Health ka so manya be $2 million bi aka ho kopem say enrechi ya o mampenyi be bo man na mane say wakache Minister of Finance on kopet $100 million emra never emboaboa ye one. It is good but yaye late yaye slow enti sika no mampenyi si enkopemra ye $100 million no e was here in 10 times so was a parliament and eco baby was here yes anya money in 10 times because nana allocating money for something is different from disbursing the money so na me ya adwenza yet you could wait because your Jessica 180 something million am a special prosecutor but be corona actual releases near then different it's your best say we will not pay lip service to this like we do to all issues in this country now say fitiasere ni amwabwa ye hu yie because we World Health Organization for reports now on containment almost score 0 say as at that time ni amwabwa ye ho At least now our mampenyi say we $100 million and we ya now all the requisite institutions, facilities ni bibiano, omenya akadia ni sika omuhia no mo de aboabo omo. Ebiem so we Minister of Health report or the amount money nana quarantine centers or you can say isolation centers ni nana kamia you say ya concentrating one kind kwa me say dan TBB bia ye ediama the other 15 regions of Ghana. Me say dan TBB asa ebiem ye entry points baby anipa fa wura Ghana no kamia you say Kotoka International Airport and ye ni work sepa e won kan kru kesi ye border say omo nam elubu omo nam esrem ebe wura Ghana ene de keka ho no sa entry points no so surveillance systems ben ye agu ho sa mia no isolation centers ben ye ne wo ho ni nyina ye share that into one among pepe bia as we speak now. Ebiem health workers Dr. Kubo em de say no wa ha minim say the workers wo kulebu abase ayem hihie kra beba even health professionals omo ni PPs and of course nana memo PCFM abaso say Alice ye bayi mama ye nose mask anameboa mema Dr. Kubo ya hwe say we certify say we correct one na filters wo muni bia but at least my idea because there's state institutions nana my idea because we no be a carpenter for there na omo ye we na e kan say omo ye adwuma omo de hye na ebi wu ni na ne namba wo mo de idea kamia ye say mo krefra ma no ne owura kwa me despite be wo bia e bona ba so me de be hye ma me ka sanwie so enti health workers omo hia PPs omo hia supplies omo hia nyema bebre ban se wa ye bidie bet ye nyina ye be kanokra enya de so ani. We need to do more. District hospitals, regional hospitals, ye making sure omo was akade we nyina na se bibi kusia ometimi aso anokwan nana hwe me de matene se yare ne sentence no ene malaria ye wo krum hai ye nyina ye nya bi e ya ye pepa ye se kata flu no ni cold no kan ya manfo ntiase de ya ye ta friend kata no e symptom se uhini mu so bi kra wo bowa ana wo minimu kekawo ana wanya fever ubetimi adwen wo se we de normal malaria na normal yare bi mekoto para ne ade ano da bi coronavirus no we nyina ye symptoms te wo se dipetie yen Ghana fo nyina wunya symptoms bi se ya entempa okọ asopiti na doctor for ehwe enana eno so nti doctor and there was a national health insurance scheme na egu no yama yaniko because at this particular time no it was a we encourage you obi a obenya the slightest symptoms of feverishness no it's a very serious matter slightest symptom of flu it was here encourage you no kwai ayaresabia now in this time ben 9 to 15 months into our hospitals service providers ka then oko hospital near prescribe malaria drug paracetamol bi kukura kolebu nipa bibra oko pharmacy wo yes yenye health insurance card oko comfort noche even hospitals are kesi mumpu because eka amene omo a sebi e affect omunyuma so ehu be hia say if we are encouraging people say wunya symptom bi akọ hospital a eka e wo ho akwansidi e wo ho currently now health insurance are buying into your service providers are buying pesika 100 million no yenti bi ni enfa ma wo mo no munya nru because the last time I heard no pharmaceutical companies no say so many hospitals omo supply omo nru bi because of a car health insurance for them so munya sika no mutua kana enru beba doctors on hospitals no sika beba mama Dr. Kubo emu nyina mu de anigye ni anwo keka soronko aye adwuma e de solve these problems yes the prevention methods no menka kese Dr. Kubo wa ha oba educate and bet at least yes say was here wo horo yensa nana and nsa wo horo no sa yes yenye 30 seconds bi na wo akosansu a horo so yes say wo pe running water ideally pipe water now don sa ko shase be 2 to 3 minutes doctor nyeza na wo horo nsa ne titi nsam no don sa fa ba bia wo wia wakope hand sanitizer akọwolwum e de afefa wo nsa ho so hu baby anipa abodompem public gatherings avoid those places and kochiachi amanfo me ampa mi wura dem wa me wo fa kwesiti yanso ene wo ze manchia because these are some of the changes despite our culture was you adapted to if we want to prevent a spread of this thing. Banana, finally, maybe when it was Ghana, you bit to me a free sa or how we move or how we are feeling able bay. You bit me disunkunim. I have that hope. The entire me was our hope when they say, and you made the kaya yariboni be say, ebe we ase, Ghana, yetinya so ano. Ya ye bida. Na se yebu nkompo hwe echi ni yekusua de ye na sa mmere no ni yasan so ye biemu na nana me ye sure se be di sa de we sunkunim Ebola bae e bibre mu ha amama e bebre nya bi ekum nipa bebre be sa mmere no Ghana fo ye nyina ye ni aban ya no tie akonya so ye tu anamon bebre me kai pa sa mmere no 2014-2015 president Mahama bae ya no kope seed fund 6 million Ghana cedis oko Nigeria fo ho kopemwa oko US aban ho kopemwa ye Ebola Operation Center wo Ghana ha e won kan ye Ebola Treatment Center e wo Tema even though say yare ni bia ma ha ye Infections Treatment Center e wo Tamale ye bi wo Kumase ye sanso choose 10 hospitals e ma omu nyina per facilities ye centers bi wo ye training ye health workers ye de bimpo ko Brussels e ko training omo so ba bi training other health workers in Ghana. So nana ye tu sana mo we nyina e de boaboa ye ho o manfo so of course we all help we actually kwan World Health Organization for boy abaso e mo de Ghana ha ye o center Ghana be ye a shining star in the world that we were celebrated intimate ye man panyi Akufo-Addo ne na aban ye nyina ye bo machi dom ye nyina ye tayo machi we NDC MPP sem bi anim but o mo waso die se o mo bo ye nyina ye ho ban enti the abandada ne ye boa ye contain Ebola situation ye nsuan bibin film yes o manfo ne ye waso de ncherechire kakra ma ye ne heya minim so Dr. Kobo e be ka bia to sui ye taking it very seriously schools in sorry ye nuano ye taking it very seriously ne ye making sure say yes so ye be boa ban ne ye timia contain situation no nana kakra meka na that's
kakra meka and no voice of Sammy Gyamfi, National Communication Officer of the NDC ono enekasa and sisi egusu ekasa Dr. Bernardo Koboy and so ababeka yensanche bia mema Dr. Koboy so akwaba na yede atwaso. But once again congratulations to you Abdul Mohammed Rashad and Margaret Anseke Mago on your successful graduation today from the Ghana Institute of Journalism. Nyankopon enkamu nyina ho. Congratulations Mago. Congratulations Yamamani. Nyankopon enkamu miru nyina ho. We're so proud of you. Enjoy this day. Dr. Koboy. Akwaba.
Mi dancing Nyankopon show.
Bibi aboko there.
Oh, bibi aboko.
Tede nyame ase. All right, doctor for mo kwa mo di biba o. First na mo say SARS, mo the mess. And now, this is the COVID-19. Times they are more confident.
Oh, Nana said, I had say, meteorologist, no. Who's Hurricane me, but me to the
Hurricane Okoboy.
Yes, Hurricane Kwesi Pratt. And now we, hey,